patrol and engagement of robbers, reconnaissance, water polo exercise, and we shall have people who are very well conversant with whatever is happening here to interpret it for us, those of us who are not well conversant with it. Explaining everything.
Breaststroke, swimming, exercise. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 9, 10, up, pull ups, position, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
See the skill. Yes. You also watch this one. You tell them about my nature. Are you seeing?
Yeah, the swimming style which we are using is the area where they are doing the exercise is in the place is between 6 and 8 meters deep. Asante mama, asante.
So when you are there, be assured that we are thinking about you as a force, and as we go along, we will definitely ensure that your conditions are improved. I thank you very much. Let us continue with the speak.
Marine police who are swimming with life-saving gears. They have life jackets. Those who are seeing in black. Those are life jackets. This one is just.
Thank you very much, comrades. I'm really happy with the efforts you have put in. As a force, we recognize your contribution because we need all these abilities to be able to police the country effectively. And even the other team which has just passed here, I was telling them that the force is going to do as much as possible to ensure that you are facilitated better than others.
Then from there they will take for his response, whether he's conscious or unconscious. So this one, they have checked his response. He has responded, meaning that he is conscious. So when we check this one, the condition is very critical. He's not even responding. So we shall go ahead to check ABC, that is air. Air stands for air. So now he's opening the airways. He's now checking the mouth to see what, and the heart. So when those two are affected, mostly it affects the breathing rate and the blood saturation. So he will go ahead to check whether there is blood saturation. He's going to check those points of high pulsating areas. He's now checking the pulse to see whether there is blood pumping. He can even check the wrists of the hand, among other parts. So after checking, he has realized the person is still alive, but only has lost what? The two organs have lost their control. So
all of us were not told that we might be having some questions. That's why I was doing this kind of stuff. I placed it on his mind so that after
No, I mean the video policy.
Bari mukazi.
There is a group of such. This is the gauge check the gas which you have in your gas cylinder. And when you are down, you keep monitoring. This one
Now,
When you take this breath, what did you do?
at the enemies who escaped in the waters,
this is a BCD. It's the one which helps us to inflate and deflate this device. Use it for inflation, it is the gas field. This is deflating.
Finish?
Yes.
They are ready.
now at the enemies who escaped in the waters,
Nani? Request. We are Japanese.
Anyway, why I'm asking is I don't know what. Sir.
Service MOH. We have Dr. Agava Mariam, MOOC, School of Public.
It requires those who have sacrificed their lives. We have seen it all, and as we sit here to celebrate together with them, we want to ask you.
Fund, there is also a team of different directors and also commandants from the...
When I reach home, I tell them that I was the best during, during this ceremony. So, Commandant, really, thank you very much with your team. I appreciate. We shall continue to make efforts to deepen that relationship.